Pag sinabi ba ng nanay mo na pogi ka, pogi ka talaga. Ganon din sa real estate. Hindi dahil sinabi ng agent na rent to own yung project, automatic, rent to own na talaga. So, paano malalaman kung legit? Discuss natin yan. Ako nga pala si Broker Dan. I'm a licensed real estate broker from Bahay Central Realty. 20 years na kami sa real estate and it's our passion na matulungan kang makahanap ng tamang bahay for your family. Now from its name, rent to own, magre-rent ka muna sa unit and later on, you'll have the option to own it. Usually ganito yung setup, nagbabayad ka ng monthly for a few years, 1 to 3 years yan usually. Yun yung rent period. And while paying rent, dapat magagamit mo na rin kaagad yung property as if you are renting a regular apartment or condo. Then pag natapos yung rental period, that is the time when pwede mo na bilhin yung property. Part nung binayad mo sa rent, pwede makredit sa contract price. Tapos yung balance, babayaran mo in full either through cash or pwede rin mag-home loan through bank or Pag-ibig. Maganda rin to own, di ba? Lalo na if you're in a hurry na makalipat sa sarili mong bahay, pero hindi ka pa ready mag-apply for a home loan. But how do you know na rent to own talaga yung pinapasok mo? Here are 2 red flags. Number 1, if pre-selling pa lang yung unit or hindi pa gawa, hindi rent to own yan. When you rent, dapat makalipat ka agad. Hindi ka naman magre-renta ng bahay na hindi pa gawa, di ba? Number 2, if kailangan mo muna mag-home loan bago ka makalipat, hindi rin yan rent to own. Pag na-approve yung home loan, fully paid na yung property, ibig sabihin, ikaw na yung owner ng property. No need to rent. Hindi mo na kailangang i-rent kasi ikaw na yung may-ari. Sa legit na rent to own, pwede kang makalipat without applying for a loan muna. I hope this helps para makaiwas ka sa budol. Minsan kasi may mga payment scheme na low DP or zero DP. Ibang payment scheme yan ha. Pero ibang sellers tatawagin pa rin yung rent to own. For whatever reason. Kahit hindi naman totoo. For more buying tips, just like and follow.